Hey gang, Chef Wayne, the Florida Cannabis Chef, coming at you with another video today. Today I'm doing one of America's favorites. I'm doing tacos, but not just any taco. I'm doing an infused walnut meat taco. As a lot of you know, I'm into superfoods, so you're gonna see a lot of superfood recipes coming up in the future. Now, this is absolutely delicious. You ready? Let's get started. I'm gonna show you how to make that cannabis infused walnut meat taco right now. Here we go. You want to start off by subscribing to the channel, clicking that little bell to get future notifications, and share it with all your friends that like tacos as well. Let's get started now. I got 10 ounces of walnuts. We're putting everything in a little food processor today. It's a simple one blend method. Along with those walnuts, we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Use smoked paprika, not regular paprika. Then 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. After that, we're going to go with 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. After the onion powder, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Then I have 2 tablespoons of balsamic glaze. I like to use the rolling balsamic glaze. Use whatever kind you like. And we're going to follow that up with 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. After the soy sauce, we're going to have 2 ounces of sun-dried tomatoes. After the sun-dried tomatoes, we go with our Keef infused coconut oil. 2 tablespoons that came in at approximately 120 milligrams of THC. Alrighty, after we get that all put in there, we're going to put our lid on and we're going to blend everything up real well. Once we get everything blended up, we're going to have some awesome tacos today. I used to serve these tacos at one of the superfood restaurants I worked at, and they were a smash hit. A lot of the customers thought they were beef. Look at that, looks just like beef. Once you put the taco together, it's hard to tell. Now here we go, we're building that taco. I'm putting a little mixed greens down. Now you can build the taco any way you like. Some people use lettuce, some people don't use lettuce. Build it the way you like. It's all about the taco meat here. But I've got some arugula, some spinach, my taco meat, some tomatoes, some onions, and of course I always use the queso, the Mexican queso cheese. I love that on top. A few little sliced jalapenos. And what we have is one delicious taco that's approximately 50 milligrams of THC per taco. We got 8 tacos total, all totaled about 15 milligrams a piece. This is Chef Wayne, the Florida Cannabis Chef. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click that little bell. Until next time, happy cannabis cooking, everyone.